All right, what's going on YouTube? This is just going to be a video of breaking down what I've done to my Gen 1 Coyote motor and how it has lasted. So stay tuned, it's going to be awesome, and you get to see a bunch of racing videos of Whitey. Let's get into it.
Works for me. Let's get it, boy! What, what, 3 cars?
You gonna try it that way? Yeah. All right, what's up YouTube? This is just going to be a little breakdown of everything that I've done on Whitey. In 2015, May, I bought a 2014 Mustang, brand new off the lot, automatic, base model, cloth interior, 6R80 car. And just a couple things I did to it, from right off the gate, went ahead and went with long tubes, Boss intake, some nitrous, and a converter. Car went like 750s and then like 690s on spray, 670s on spray, and it ran great. Loved it. It was amazing. And then I got tired of filling up bottles. I got tired of worrying about bottle pressure and making sure the bottle was, all that good stuff with bottles. And so I got rid of it and went and we became a dealers for On3 Performance and bought the twin kit. This would have been like the second or third gen of the twin. So it was 2000. I am sorry, I think I bought the car in May of 2014. That's right, May or June of 2014. The twin kit got put on roughly a year later in 2015 in June. And that kit has pretty much stayed on the car and been the same forever. The car has never had oil pump gears. It has never had the valve covers off. The only thing I've done is change the plugs, the oil, and I changed back to the stock intake whenever I went turboed. Other than that, it's got a Bush leash controller. It's also got the pulse. I swapped the 6R80 after a couple of years of trying to do stuff in the street and it being way too aggressive on the first gear. Sort of wish that I would have stayed with the 6R80 now. That'll be another video. And then it's got 373 gears, stock rear end. It's got a 4-inch or 3.5-inch drive shaft that was done by just a local drive shaft company, and it's got a CHE brace, UPR rear suspension, UPR front suspension, rock solid front, some Viking double adjustable rears and double adjustable fronts, coilovers in the front. Sorry, it's hot, I'm sweating, it is what it is. The car overall has been just absolutely amazing. The motor has been awesome. It is tuned by Sai Li from Li Tuning and Performance. He is an awesome guy, has done amazing on my car. Just gotta email him. That's the best way to get in touch with him, is email. Always gets me done, always. Car's had some pretty good success for what it is, and I'm definitely happy with the car. There's another video, and I can put a link up here, you know, a tag or whatever, of my pros and cons review of the turbo kit and everything like that, and go over it there a little bit. It was I mean, I had very few issues with the kit whenever it came to installation. It was awesome. Just little things, nothing that a decent car guy can take care of, I would say myself. So I'm no fabricator or anything like that, and I was able to take care of it. So the car has seen around 16 pounds of boost at its max. It went 598 at around 119, 118, something like that. And I felt like that's pretty moving. By the way, it's got a PTC converter in front of the TH400. I've had some problems out of the Turbo 400, not gonna lie, it's down right now because of it. So I'm still up in the air about the Turbo 400, whether it's me, whether it's the weight of the car, because I mean, it's full weight, full interior. So it's pretty awesome. So moving to the fuel side, I'm sort of bouncing around here, but you get the picture. It has the Sai Li return style fuel system with ID 1000 injectors, and it's tuned on E85, of course. And I don't really have any dyno numbers, don't have quarter mile numbers. It went 6.0s like a ton of times. And I'm gonna post all those videos in this here. Hopefully you're watching those, and hopefully you'll enjoy those. And you know, that car has done a ton to be stock motor. I have never had an issue. You know, this upcoming weekend, or actually next weekend, I'll be taking it to a big race. So, you know, hopefully none of that happens then. But other than that, the car has been amazing. Just the motor's held strong. You know, I creeped up on it, started at like 8-ish pounds, and then immediately went up to 11 and stayed at 11 for like 2 to 3 years. And then this last year, put it on 15 and let it ride, and have a little bit on the scramble. That's safe, you know, ish, but I only run 1/8 mile, so it's not putting a huge strain on the engine up top. Just, you know, pulling all that weight, 3,900 pounds or whatever the car weighs. And so that's pretty much it. It's still got just the 15-inch conversion on the front, so that you can run 15s or whatever you want to call it. It's like the 05 to 10 Mustang modification. And the rear's just got like the UPR. I do have the UPR anti-roll bar, by the way. Just that's another little thing. And but it's got the sway bar relocation, or that's what I use. I don't even know if I have a sway bar back there now. I think I just have the anti-roll bar. So yeah, car's been amazing. I mean, for a full weight car going 598, 6.0s consistently, I really can't talk down about the kit. The on3 kit has been amazing. My ID 1000 injectors have been amazing. The lead tuning has been awesome. I did run the Circle D converter for a long time. That Circle D converter was amazing. I've really had an excellent, with almost everything besides the Turbo 400, I've had great success out of everything. I still have the 60mm ceramic ball bearing turbos that came on with the turbo kit in 2015. It's now 2020. 5 years later, they're doing amazing. I can't, they're tanks, you know, and I've driven it on the street. I drive it all the time. I drove it for a while when it was 6R80, drove it all the time. And I'm talking toted the tire, didn't have a trailer, toted the tires with me and drove it to the track, back from the track. I remember I did like almost 600 miles round trip one weekend, and runnered up one event, won the other event, and just a really awesome car. I really, that car has just done amazing, absolutely amazing. So it is a very awesome ride. So my Gen 1 Coyote has lasted, no oil pump gears. Now it could happen, you know, people have broke them so fast before, I mean, just unreal, but I have had no problem with them. I still have a stock Gen 1 motor, and it is on 15 pounds of boost, probably makes somewhere around 8 to 850 horsepower if I had to guess. We're pretty conservative, I think, on the tuning. I'm not 100% sure. I've not went in and looked and double checked or any of that stuff. I just let Sai do that stuff, and I just, you know, I go and race and let go of the button, steer it, and do all that good stuff. So car's amazing. The Coyote motor is just spectacular. On3 Performance twin turbo kit is amazing. I've had great luck out of my PTC converters. Mine's being cleaned right now, and so overall, my Gen 1 Coyote has been amazing. I mean, it has held power. It has done everything that I've asked it to. And maybe I'm one in a million. I doubt it. There's all kinds of people who've been fast. I've not really been that fast per se. People have been way faster than me, but considering as little as I've done to it, with it being really just a lot of stuff that you can bolt on, I haven't went in and changed rods, pistons, I haven't changed oil pump gears, none of that stuff. It's done amazing. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos like this or more videos of the white car, stay tuned. There's going to be a bunch here soon. The white car is pretty much going back to track duty while this thing gets the motor put back in, turbo kit redone, fuel injection, all that good stuff. So keep watching the videos, subscribe if you haven't already, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one, and you get to see a little bit more of Whitey doing some no prep stuff, and hopefully we go rounds. We'll see. Probably not, you know, we're one round wonders a lot anymore, but we'll see what we can do. So that's going to be it for this video. Like, share, subscribe, comment, all those good things, and we'll see you next time. Peace.